Hello. So you have a subd here, and we break it and get the subd line here. 1, 2. So we have two curves. We hide it, and we get twin curve. This curve is what we need. Then we get back to grasshopper and get this curve into the grasshopper, and we pull curve. Oh no, this you cannot put to the direct, so I divide curve, and then we pull the point. Direct, close. I think this one. We put the point. So point is let's set it to this. Okay, we put a point. Then we get the point, we get the normal. So we make the curve again on the surface of the B-wrap. So we get the curve, but I think it's better just make it like this much, and make it periodic. Okay, then remove the point. Remove the point along the let's just internalize it, and yes, it's too slow, and then we just disable others. And why it's disabled? Why? What happened? B-wrap. Oh yeah, this one. Okay, so we disable every other stuff and make it here. Right, so we can okay. Anyway, we offset the point along the normal. So this is the vector, and here. Then we can get like I think it's too much. 20. Yeah. Anyway, so we get these points, and we make nerve curve out of it. So we get two curve. It's then we loft it. So we get the surface, and it's a very clean surface, as you can see, very clean. Then we use this, we bake it back again, use it to cut the B-wrap. So we hide everything, and we can choose the cutter and choose the B-wrap. See? Can get remote key. Do it again. Why do two passes? Okay, we do it again. We can it with it. So that's, oh no, fuck. Why? So we hide it. We extend the surface a little bit. Then we get it back. Get it back. We cut it again. See if we can get it lucky. Then we have this one and this one. Right? So we cut it. Okay, then get it back. Yeah, I think you can do the rest. Okay, you just cut it with the upper one. Let's say this is the upper one, and just do it. We copy it, we paste it. So we have two. We hide one, and then we cut it with this one first time. So okay, I get this one. So we'll use this, and we join them. Right? Can we join them? So hide the back side first. What? Oh no, I think there's a mistake. There's a small mistake. But anyway, so we cut it with it. Oh no, I think it's, we hide it, make it back, and then we compute. So join them. Okay. So this is one. This must be a second one. So we can get something like this. Okay.